Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct an assembly model of crane hook in Autodesk Inventor software. In this tutorial we are first going to make all the parts one by one and then finally make the assembly. Okay, so in this tutorial we are going to start with this plate. So this is the support plate. From here you can read the part name, support plate, go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch, select the XY plane. Now go to circle command and here make one circle here and one circle here and one circle here. Okay, now go to dimension. So here the dimension from this center point will be 65 mm. Okay, and here the dimension of the circle dia will be 36 and these two also 36. So escape and go to equal constraint. Select the circle, select this, and I'll select this and select this. Okay, so all the circles here are of diameter 36, sorry. Okay, now here go to dimension, select the center point and select center point of this circle and here give the dimension as 38 mm. Similarly here select the center point and select the center point, here also 38 mm. Okay, now here escape, press escape, go to vertical constraint, select this point and select this point. So this is constraint. Now we are going to join these profiles. Go to line, make one line joining to these two circles. Similarly, one line joining these two and one at bottom. Okay, so like this. Now escape. Now here, as you can see, it is going taper. So go to horizontal constraint first. Select the center point and select the center point. So they are horizontally aligned. Now to make this profile proper, go to tangent constraint. Select this circle, select this line, select this circle, select this line. Similarly, select this circle, select this line, and select this and select this line. Select this circle, this line, select this circle, and this line. Okay, they are already constrained. Now escape. Now here, go to dimension. From this center point, the base will be at a distance of 32 mm. Okay, now this is fully defined. Now here, I want to make a whole profile also. So go to circle, select this center point, make here a diameter of 35 mm, and from same center point make here a diameter of 25 mm. Okay, now here from on this outer dia make a dia of 6 and escape. Go to vertical constraint, select this point and select this point. Okay, now escape. Now select this dia 35, make it a construction geometry and here take the circular pattern. Select the circle, go to axis and select this circle. Here we are going to take a count of 3 and press OK. Okay, drag this. Now go to trim command, trim this inner profile, this profile and this profile. Okay, now go to circle command once again, go to this center point and make a circle of diameter 15, this also of diameter 15 and here also a diameter of 15. Now escape. Now here drag this inside. Okay, so this is the final sketch and all the dimensions. Okay, you can note them. Now finish sketch. Now go to extrude command and select this center face and here the extrude will be of 7 mm. Take it a symmetric extrude and press OK. Now here we will define the appearance. So we are going to take the light red, take light red color and save it. Okay, go to save. Now these are the initial parts. Make a new folder, name it as assembly, enter, and save it as support plate. Okay, and save. Okay, now we are going to make the second part. So go to assembly. Now we are going to generate the hook. So this is the main part of this assembly. Okay, go to support plate. You can close this, go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Okay, now take a 2D sketch, select the XY plane, and here take the circle command and make here a circle of diameter 50 mm. Okay, now escape. Now here you can see we have not started with the center point. Okay, otherwise we always start with the center point. Go to line. Now go to center point and make a line here of dimension 25 mm and escape. Okay, now go to line and make one more line here of dimension 23.45 and escape. Now go to dimension and define the vertical dimension here of 25 mm and escape. Now here, as it is in a moving form, now go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. Okay, now this is horizontally aligned. Now go to dimension, select the center point and select this point. Here the dimension will be 1.55 mm. Okay, you can see. Now here, escape. Now here, when I drag this, you can see there is a drag here with the line. So to constrain this complete sketch, go to vertical constraint, select this point and select this point of this line. Now escape. Now this is half of the sketch. Now to make a curve here, go to circle command and make a circle over here of diameter 24 and here go to tangent, select this and select this and here go to vertical constraint, select the center point and select the end of the line. Okay, now this is fully constrained. Now take the circle command once again, make one circle here, escape, go to tangent constraint, select this circle and select this. Similarly, select this circle and select this. Okay, now go to dimension. The center of this small circle from the center of this big circle will be at a distance of 1.28 mm and enter. Escape. So it will automatically maintain its diameter. Now here I don't want these complete circles, I want the curve profiles. So to make them in a curve profile, go to trim, select this and here select this bottom. So here you can see a curve profile. Now escape, select this outer circle of diameter 50 and make it a construction geometry. Okay, now you can see only this profile is left. Now here we'll go to the arc command and here we'll select 3-point arc. Select this point and select this 25 mm length and click here. So we have generated a new arc here. You can see fully constrained sketch is still there. Now I want to mirror this complete profile this side. Okay, so first go to line, make a center line over here till the center point and escape. Select this line, make it a construction geometry. Now go to mirror, select these profiles, select this and select this also. Select this, select this. So complete profile we have picked. Now here, go to mirror line, select the center line, apply and done. Okay, now you can see the hook type of profile. Now finish sketch. Now here go to extrude, take here symmetric, and here take a symmetric extrude of 22 mm and press OK. Okay. Now go to fillet command and here take a fillet radius of 6 mm. Go to edge selection, select this face and select this back face. Okay, and press OK. So this will be the complete. Now I want a holding profiles. So select this top face, go to create sketch, rotate the view, take the circle command from the center point, make a circle of diameter 22 mm, go to 3D model, take extrude. Here we are going to take a asymmetric extrude. So we are going to click here asymmetric. So the first direction here will be of 55 mm extrude. So this will be the top side. And the second will be 15 mm. So this will be the inner profile. Okay. It will be join and press OK. Okay. Now here select this top face, go to create sketch, take the circle command from the center point, make a circle of diameter 30, enter, go to 3D model, take extrude, here take extrude of 5 mm and press OK. Now we are going to make two more circles. So select this face, go to create sketch, take circle from this center point, make a circle here of dia 20, 3D model, extrude, select this inner 20 dia and here take extrude of 32 mm. Okay, and press OK. Now select this face, go to create sketch, take circle from this center point, dia 16, go to 3D model, extrude, select this inner circle and here this dia will be extrude of 18 mm and OK. Okay, now I just want to give a whole profile on this face. So go to origin, select the XY plane, go to create sketch, take the circle command. First go to view, visual style and change it to wireframe. As we are going to make the circle inside, select here, make a circle here of diameter 3.0. Okay, and go to sketch, go to dimension. From top, this will be at a distance of 7 mm and OK. Now go to vertical constraint, select this point and select this point. Okay, go to 3D model, extrude, take here a symmetric extrude, drag it outside and take here cut. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges and press OK. Okay, so this will be the sketch. Now I want to give the radius. So here select this edge, take fillet. So here we are going to take 6 radius and apply. Okay, and exit. Here we are going to give this a chrome finish. So click on chrome polish and save it. Save it as hook. Okay, save. Now we are going to make the third part. Close this. Now we are going to make this middle part. Double click this to activate. So this is the hook anchor. You can see here. Okay, so it is for holding the hook and here for mounting the hook with the supporting plates. Okay, so it have both the use. Now go back to the assembly. So to design this, go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch and select the front plane, the XY plane. Take a rectangle command and select 2 point center rectangle. Select the center point, go to dimension, define this dimension as 46, okay, and height also of 46. Go to circle command, make a circle at the center of diameter 25. Go to 3D model, take extrude, take here extrude of 31 mm, take a symmetric extrude and press OK. Okay. Now here for mounting, go to origin, and here we are going to select the top plane, the exit plane. Go to create sketch, take the circle command. From the center point, we are going to make a circle of diameter 16 mm. I'll show you where we are drawing. So we are drawing at this center. Okay. Go to 3D model, take extrude. Here we are going to take a symmetric extrude and the dimension will be 70. Press OK. Now go back to the top plane, the exit plane. Go to create sketch. Take the circle command once again. From the center point, again we are going to make a circle of diameter 12 mm. Go to 3D model, take extrude. This time also we are going to take symmetric. Take it as 90 and press OK. Okay. Now here I don't want this inner profile. So I want this as a hollow profile. So select this face, go to create sketch, go to project geometry, select the circle, go to 3D model, take extrude, rotate, here take cut and press OK. Now here you can see the hollow profile. Okay. Now here when we have done the cut, so okay, at one side of this face there will be a cut for mounting of hook. So select this face, go to create sketch, take circle. From the center point, make a circle of diameter 32. Go to 3D model, take extrude, and here rotate the profile and take here dimension of 3 mm, and here we'll take cut and switch the direction. Okay, and press OK. So this is the mounting for the settle of the hook or the assembly of the hook. This groove has been given. Okay. Now I want to make side cut profile. So select this face, go to create sketch, take the line command, and here make one line, escape, go to line command, make one line here and escape. Go to dimension, define this as 1.5 and this also 1.5. Escape. Okay. Go to coincident, select this edge, select this point, escape. Now drag this side, go to R command and join both the profiles. Okay. Now escape. Now I want to make a profile as they both are tangent to each other. So here I will first define this. Go to dimension, take a radius of 3, go to tangent constraint, select this line, select this arc. Okay, it is already tangent. Select this arc and select this line. Okay, now escape. Now go to line. Now here close this profile and here also. Now escape. Select this and select this yellow line. Make it construction geometry. Now here I want to make a cut. So go to 3D model, take extrude, take here cut, and from here we will take all. So this will be a through cut. Press OK. Now here I want to make the same profile on all the edges. So go to mirror, select this cut, go to mirror plane, and here we'll select the XY plane. Press OK. Now go to mirror once again, select this and select mirror 1. Go to mirror plane. This time select the exit plane and press OK. OK. So this will be the profile. Now you can save it from here. I'll define it as a blue color. Click blue and save it. So this is hook, anchor. OK. Now we are going to make the fourth part. Close this. So the fourth part here will be this connecting. Double click this. So this is the plate spacer. Okay. So this is like a shaft. So here go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Go to 2D sketch. Select the XY plane here. Take the line command and make a line here and make the half of the profile. Okay. Till here, here and join here. Escape. Now go to dimension. Define this total height as 82 by 2. Okay. Now here define this dia as 11. Okay. And here we will define this as 7.5 and this height here of 18 mm. Okay. Now here I want to pattern this complete profile. So go to mirror, select this complete profile, go to mirror line, select the center line, apply and done. Now select this, make it construction. Now here go to 3D model, take revolve and here select this as axis of rotation and press OK. Okay. Here you can assign the appearance. So here I'll give the aluminum plate or aluminum polish you can give and save. So here save it as plate spacer. Okay. Now close this, go back to the assembly. Now we are going to make the fifth part. So double click this. So this is the end bush. Okay, here you can see the end bush. So this is in two quantity. This is the first quantity and this side this will be the second quantity. Okay. So here to make this end bush, go to create, go to the standard part, go to create. Now here take a 2D sketch and here select the XY plane, take the line command and make the profile here. So this is the rough sketch first. Okay. Go to line from the center point and make one straight line. Escape. Select this, make it construction. Go to line dimension. From center line, this will be at 8 mm. From center line, this will be at 12.5. This dimension here will be of 5. Okay. First define the bottom dimension. Define this first. So define this as 7. Now define this as 5. Okay. Now click on the center line, select this and give this dimension as 24 mm. Okay. Escape. Now take the horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. Now this is fully defined. Escape and finish sketch. Now go to revolve command and select this as a center axis for rotation. Press OK. Now select this outer edge, go to fillet, take here a fillet radius of 2 mm and press OK. Now we are going to make the mounting holes. So select this face, the top face, go to create sketch, take the circle command, select the center point and make here a circle of diameter 35 mm. Escape. So this is the reference circle or pitch circle diameter. Make it a construction geometry. Select this also. Make it construction. Go to circle command. At this center point, make a circle of diameter 6 mm. Escape. Go to vertical constraint. Click on vertical constraint. Select the center point and select the center point. Now we have a count of 3. Go to circular pattern. Take the circle. Go to axis and select this axis for rotation. Take here a count of 3 and press OK. Go to 3D model. Take extrude. Select all 3 circles. Take here cut and it will be a through cut. So here if you take 10 mm also it will work. Press OK. Okay. Now this is the final profile. Okay. Now you can save it. From here I have also defined this as aluminum flat and save. So this is the end bush and save it. Okay, so now we have completed the 5 major parts. So we have to complete 5 more parts. So for next 5 parts, first close this, go back to the assembly. First double click this. So here this is the lock nut 1. Okay, so this is the lock nut. First we are going to construct this lock nut. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch, select the XY plane, take the circle command. From this center point, make a circle of diameter 25. From this center point, make here a diameter 12. Okay. Now here, go to line command and make one line here, here and here. Escape. Go to trim, trim the outer profiles. Now go to dimension. Select this line first. Now select this circle. When you select this circle, you can see the symbol near the cursor will be a circular profile with the dimension. So it will select the outermost dimension of the circle. So this dimension here will be of 2 mm and the width here will be of 4 mm. Escape. Now here you can see when I have given the dimension, this is been okay. Go to vertical constraint. Now here select the center point and select center point of the circle. So this will be aligned also. Escape. Now what else is left? When we drag this, okay, let's zoom out, go to dimension. You can define this any of the edge. So this will be defined by 1.839. Okay. Now here go to trim this. So we need an open profile over here. Similarly, we want this complete profile on 4 edges. So here go to circular pattern, select this profile, go to axis, select this circle, take count of 4, okay, and press OK. Go to trim this, trim this, trim this. So you can see it is becoming unconstrained. Go to dimension, define only this. So it was 25 mm. From here you can take it as the diameter. So by default it will come as radius. So but when I need it as diameter, go to dimension, click here, right click, and here go to dimension type. So the by default it is radius. Click on diameter. So it will define the diameter 25 and press OK. Similarly, select this edge, okay, and here select this and select this. Again, define this dimension and it is constrained. Finish, go to extrude, here select extrude and take extrude of 8 mm here and it will be a symmetric extrude. Press OK. Now from here we'll give steel. So the steel here will be steel galvanized. Okay, and save it. Save it as lock nut 1. Okay. With the help of this, we are going to construct the next parts. Okay, go to assembly, go to written. Here you can see there are 3 type of lock nuts: first, second, and third. So the outer profile is almost same. So with the help of the lock nut 1, we are going to construct both these lock nuts. So go to lock nut 1, from go to file, save as, save it as lock nut 2. Okay, so go to extrude, sketch 1. Here just change the diameter, change this 25 to 27, and this inner dia 12 to, we will change it to 15. Okay, so the rest things will remain same. Finish, go to extrude 1. The extrude value here will change to 7, or you can just maintain it as 8 only. Okay, and save. Now with the help of this, we are going to make the lock nut 3. So this is the lock nut 3. Here you can see it is having some height more than lock nut 1 and 2. So go to lock nut 2, file, take save as. So this will be lock nut 3. Okay, here you can see lock nut 3. Go to extrude 1, double click sketch 1. Here we'll change it to 30 dia, and inner will change to 16, and finish sketch. Double click on extrude 1. The extrude will change to 15 mm, and press OK. Okay, now I want a whole profile here. So select this top face, go to create sketch, go to circle command and make a circle profile here. Go to dimension. From bottom, this will be at a distance of 11, and the diameter of this circle will be 3.22. Okay, go to vertical constraint, select this point, select this point. Go to 3D model, take extrude. Here, take symmetric extrude, and here drag it outside. Take cut, or here just click on all and press OK. So this will be a through cut. Okay, go to home and save it. So this is the lock nut 3. Now close all the lock nuts. Now I want to make the ninth part. So the ninth part is the bush. Here you are not able to see bush anywhere. Select this, right click, turn off the visibility. Select this lock nut, turn off the visibility. Now when I double click this face, here you can see the bush profile. Okay, which is inside the anchor. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take the 2D sketch, select the front plane. Now take the line command. First make the center line. Okay, escape. Now go to line command. Make the line profile here. This till here and here. Go to dimension. Define this height as 3. Okay, and define from bottom. This will be at a height of 31. From center line, this will be at 10, and this will be at a distance of 12.5, and this from center line will be at 15 mm. Okay, now escape. Go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select the center point. Now escape. Select this line, make it a construction geometry. Now here I want to revolve this. Go to 3D model, take revolve. So this profile is selected. Select this axis and press OK. Now here you can define any of the color. So you can take it nulled gray and save it. Save it as bush. OK. Now the last part of this complete assembly will make now. Close this and go back to the assembly. Now we have a washer here. Double click this. So we want to make this washer. So go to new, take a standard part, go to create, take a 2D sketch, select the XY plane, take this circle command from the center point, make a circle here of diameter 30, and from the center point make a diameter of 15. Now here go to 3D model, take extrude, select this profile. Here we'll take a dimension of 3 mm and here take symmetric, or you can take it as 2 mm and press OK. Okay, define the appearance. From here you can give any, so you can give aluminum dark and save it as washer. Okay, now we are going to make the final assembly. So close this. So this will be the final assembly. Now first go to new, take a standard assembly in millimeter and go to create. One by one we will call all the parts. So go to place. First select the support plate, open and place it over here. Escape, rotate the view. Okay, and click here. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded edges. Change the light to gray room. Okay. Now as you can see, the part is in moving form. To make the assembly constrained, open the origin of assembly and here open the origin of support plate. Go to constraint, select the YZ plane of assembly and YZ plane of part. Apply XZ plane and XZ plane. Here as you can see, the part is rotating downwards, so click on flush and apply. Click XY plane and XY plane, click back to mate and apply. Now exit. Now here you can see the movement is constrained, so this will be the base. Now we are going to place the other parts. Go to place. Here you can just place the washers first, or you can select the shaft part. Okay, so here you can see all the parts. So I am selecting here the plate spacer. Open. We have to assemble it at 3 locations: first, second and third. We are taking 2. Escape. Now go to constraint, select this axis and select this axis. Click apply. Similarly select this center axis and select the center axis of this hole. Apply. Exit. Now you can see there is a movement here. In both there will be a movement. Okay. Go to constraint, select this face, rotate and select this face. Apply. Similarly we will do with the second. Select this face for butting face, rotate and select this and OK. Now we will assemble the other parts. So go to place, place the washer, open and place the washer here. 2 number of washers. Escape. Go to constraint, select the center axis. Here select the center axis. Apply. Similarly select this center axis and select this center axis. Apply. Now for the face, select this face for washer butting and select this washer face. Here you can see the washer is placed. Apply. Similarly, select this face, rotate, and select this face of washer. Here you can see this also apply. Now exit. Now two parts are been assembled. Now we are going to make the other part been assembled. So here you can see we have placed the plate spacer, then the washer. You can see the name here. So we will call the lock nut 2. Go to place, call the lock nut 2, open, place 2 lock nut 2 and escape. Go to constraint, select this face first, rotate the view and select this face of lock nut. Now apply. Similarly, select this face of washer, rotate and this face of lock nut and apply. Now you can see it is not constrained properly. When I exit from this, you can see it has a movement here. So to constrain the movement or to constrain the axis of this lock nuts, go to constraint, select the center axis, select the center axis of lock nut, click on aligned and apply. Similarly, select center axis and select center axis of lock nut. Already click on aligned and apply. Exit. Now here you can see only the rotation is there, no other movement is there. Okay. Now we have almost completed this assembly. So for this hole, we are going to take the mirror command. Okay. Now here, go to mirror feature, select all the three components, go to mirror plane and here select the YZ plane. Here you will see mirror relationships and ground new components. Okay, ground new components means that the components will not move in any of the direction. Click on next and press OK. Okay, here you can see when the part is grounded, it will not revolve also. Okay, now here we are going to construct the other parts also. Now we will assemble this anchor, hook anchor. So go to place, select the hook anchor, open and place it over here. Escape. We only want this part one number. Now go to free rotation and rotate it like this. Okay. So the placement will be like this. Now escape. Go to constraint, select this center axis and select this center axis over here. Click on aligned and apply. Okay. Now we'll constrain the axis to constrain the motion. Or first go to constraint, select this face, rotate and select this face of support plate and apply. So this will be but till the support plate. Now we have this rotation left. We want this cutout hole to be at the bottom side towards the hook. So close this, open the origin of hook anchor, select the YZ plane and here select the YZ plane of main assembly. Go to constraint. Here you can see, from here I'll show you the hole profile or the cutout profile at bottom. Apply and exit. Okay. Now there is no movement. Now here we will assemble the other parts with this. So we have hook, we have one bush and this lock nut 3. Okay. So first we are going to place the bush. So to place the bush, go to place, select the bush, open and place it over here. Escape. Now go to constraint, rotate the view. Select this axis and here select this axis. Apply Okay, now you can see the bush is assembled opposite. So we'll double click the constraint, select mate 21, right click and click on edit. Here click on aligned and OK. Now you can see the placement is OK. Now go to constraint, select this face, rotate and select this bottom face. OK, and apply. Exit. Now you can see it is placed properly. You can rotate the view. You can see till here this will be placed. OK. Now we are going to assemble the hook. So go to place, select the hook profile, open and place it over here. Now escape, go to constraint, select the center axis and select the center axis. Apply, exit. Now drag this hook down, go to constraint, select this face, rotate the view and select this cutout face. Apply, rotate the view once again, exit. Now as it is having a rotation here, so to constrain this, select the YZ plane of the assembly and open the origin of hook. Okay, and select the YZ plane of hook. Click on constraint and apply. Exit. Now here you can see it is constrained. Now rotate the view. Now we are going to assemble the end bush. Go to place, select the end bush, open and place it over here. Go to constraint, select this axis and select the center axis. Click on apply and exit. Now here you can see we have 3 number of holes on this end bush and here on this plate. So we have to match the centers of these holes. Go to constraint, select the center axis, select the center axis, apply, select this face, rotate and select this face. Okay, and apply. Exit. Now it is assembled properly. Now we are going to assemble the lock nut. Go to place and select the lock nut 1. Open and place it over here. Escape. Go to constraint, select the center axis and select center axis of this lock nut. Apply, exit. Now drag this outside. Go to constraint, select this face, rotate the view and select this face. Okay, click here. Now you can see it is assembled. Apply, exit. Now in this view we are left with the lock nut 3. Go to assembly. When I change this view, here you can see a lock nut is present. Okay, so we will assemble this also. Go to place, select the lock nut 3, open. This was the big lock nut. Escape. Here one thing we have to see, here a hole is in present which will match with this hole. Okay, go to constraint, select this axis and select the center axis. Okay, front view. So these holes should be on top. Apply, exit. Now here you can see when I assemble this hole center axis, this will be placed like this. Okay, so go to constraint, rotate the view, select the center axis, rotate the view and select the center axis. Apply and exit. Okay, now this is also assembled. Go to home. Okay, now you can see all the things are almost assembled. Now I have to just make a mirror of all the assemblies. So in plate spacer, go to origin and select the exit plane. This will be the mid plane. Select the mid plane, right click, turn on the visibility. Now we are going to take the mirror feature or the mirror components. Go to mirror, select all the components of this side. Select this, Select this, select this and this. Okay, select this also. Go to mirror plane, select this plane. Here you can see all the components are mirrored. Next and OK. Okay, so complete parts are here. Okay, now you can hide this plane. Select the exit plane, right click, turn off the visibility. Okay, so I think all the parts have been assembled properly. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a crane hook assembly in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.